Assalamu alaikum dear students, how are you? I hope you all are fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to NITS Home School. Here I am Kamrun, assistant teacher of National Ideal English Version School, Deshi. My dear students, today I am going to take a Bangladesh and Global Studies class for the students of class 5. And our today's topic is short question answer, and we will discuss few short question answer from chapter 2, that means the British rule. So let's start the class today. Look, there are few short question answer, and the first question is, why were the British interested in Bengal? And you all know that the British were interested for the wealth of Bengal. So the answer is, Bengal was full of resources when the British came for trade. The British were interested in Bengal for its wealth. Now the next question, that means number 2, who was the last independent Nawab of Bengal? And you all know that it was Siraj-ud-Dowla. And our answer is, Nawab Siraj-ud-Dowla was the last independent Nawab of Bengal. He became the Nawab in 1756. Now number 3, at what age did Nawab Siraj-ud-Dowla ascend the throne? And the answer is, in 1756, at the age of 22, Nawab Siraj-ud-Dowla ascended the throne of Bengal. So this is our answer. So when he was 22, he ascended the throne, and it was in 1756. Now number 4, who was Kasiti Begum? And you all know that he was the aunt of Siraj-ud-Dowla. The answer is, Kasiti Begum was Siraj-ud-Dowla's aunt. She plotted against the young Nawab. Now number 5, when was the British East India Company established? When? We all know that it is in 1600th century. So the answer is, the British East India Company was established in 1600th century. It was established for trade. Number 6, when did the Battle of Palashi take place? When did, and we know the answer, it was on 23rd June 1757. So our answer is, the Battle of Palashi is a significant event in the history of Bengal. The Battle of Palashi took place on 23rd June 1757. Now number 7, what is the reign of the British East India Company called? And our answer is what? We all know that it is company rule. Now look, the answer is, the reign of British East India Company is called company rule. It continued from 1757 to 1857. Now number 8, when was the company rule replaced with the rule by the Queen? And when? We know that it is in 1858. And the answer is, the company rule ended after the Sepoy Mutiny. The company rule was replaced with the rule by the Queen in 1858. Now number 9, which policy of the British created division? And the answer will be what? Divide and rule policy, right? So our answer is, the policy of divide and rule created division. It sets castes, religions and nationalities against each other. Now number 10, who was Mir Jafar? And who was Mir Jafar? We know that he was the army chief or the commander-in-chief of Nawab Siraj-ud-Dowla. And when did he do, what did he do at the Battle of Palashi? He betrayed, right? So our answer is, Mir Jafar was the army chief of Nawab Siraj-ud-Dowla. He betrayed the Nawab at the Battle of Palashi. And because of his betrayal, the Nawab defeated in this battle. Now number 11, how many years did the East India Company rule Bengal? How many years? We all know that 100 years. So the answer is, British East India Company ruled in Bengal for 100 years. That means from 1757 to 1857. So this is our last question and answer, and there are 11 question answer for today. We will discuss 11 short question answer in our today's class, and we will discuss more short question and answer in our next class. So all of you will go through your textbook at first and then we will practice those short question answer. So dear students, that's all for today. I hope you have understood our today's topic. And dear students, all of you will study regularly and listen to your parents. Stay safe. Allah Hafiz.